Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can allow the photos and videos access permissions for your Instagram in your Android device. So first click on these three horizontal lines present at the top of your profile, and then once you will land onto the settings and activity page, simply scroll down until you see this option which says device permissions. Click here, and here you can see that the photos and videos are currently not allowed. So simply click here and then click on the update device settings option, and then in the pop-up click on open device settings. Then here you can see the permissions tab again. Click here, and then under the not allowed you can see photos and videos, and simply click, and then you can choose this always allow all button. So then once that is done, you may simply go back, and once you'll go back you can see that it has been successfully allowed. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.